Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Logic Pro does not run natively on Windows and requires workarounds. You can choose virtualization, a Hackintosh, or a different DAW instead. Virtual machines emulate Mac OS but reduce audio performance and increase latency significantly. A Hackintosh may offer better performance but requires specific hardware and more maintenance. Many producers instead use Ableton Live, FL Studio, or Studio One for full Windows support. Consider switching if you need stable low-latency audio and full plugin compatibility. If you try Mac OS virtualization, allocate at least 16 GB RAM and 4 CPU cores. Use a fast NVMe or SSD with 500 GB free for projects and sample libraries. Expect to work at 44. 1 kHz or 48 kHz sample rates to maintain compatibility with Logic projects. Raise buffer sizes to 128 or 256 samples to reduce dropouts and audio glitches. A Hackintosh can perform closer to native Mac OS when hardware matches Apple specifications closely and drivers are supported. When collaborating, export stems or use AAF to move projects across DAWs cleanly. Replace O-only plugins with VST or freeze and bounce tracks before transferring sessions. Keep your audio interface drivers updated and set buffer sizes to 128 to 256 samples for stable playback. Map important Logic keyboard shortcuts in your Windows DAW to preserve workflow speed and muscle memory. Always keep a 500 MB to 2 GB backup of plugin presets and a project archive on external storage.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.